All right, here at Sam's Club again, and of course they've got the ProForm treadmill. It's the lower end, but it's still not a bad treadmill. $599.98. They've got a couple of good items here. Not really a fan of this one here, but they've got the bike here made by ProForm, and it's a pretty good one here. You will have to put your phone on there to look at anything because you're not going to see a track, but if you're into riding your bike and enjoying it, this is the way to go. And that's $399.99. You've got your ProForm rower. We did get a rower, and we had it for a couple of days, and it just got monotonous. There's nothing on the screen. This one didn't even have a screen. But for $249.98, it's not bad. Okay, got the inversion table here. Look at this thing. I have never used one, but I'm sure they're good for your back. There's a boxing set here, and that's at $89.98. And you got your dumbbell rack from 5'8" to 10 pounds. It's not a bad deal right there. It's $249.98. This is Sam's, folks. And then you have a home gym here, the Marcy, $399.98. And that's the kit I use at home. And it's the newer version. Mine's fairly old. It's about probably 8 years old now. And that is not a bad deal. So look for your fitness equipment at these stores, guys. Get a good deal. Good luck. God bless. Works for me.